Good morning, students. In our previous class, we have discussed linear equation in two variable and exercise 4.1. Now, we shall discuss the linear equation in two variable exercise 4.2. Come to the exercise. Number 1. Which one of the following option is true and why? Y is equal to 3x plus 5 has option 1 a unique solution, option 2 only two solution, option 3 infinitely many solution. So which one is right? The third bit is right. But why? Because every value of x, there is a corresponding value of y. There is a corresponding value of y and vice versa. That means as y is equal to 3x plus 5 is a linear equation in two variable. The graph of this linear equation is a straight line. The straight line having infinitely many points. So, the linear equation having infinitely many solutions. Second number, write 4 solutions for each of the following equation. Here, first equation given 2x plus y equal to 7. Find 4 solution means 4 pair of value for x and y. How can you find it? Take any value of x. Suppose equation first. Take any value of x. Let x is equal to 1. Then put the value in this equation. 2 into 1 plus y equal to 7 implies that y is equal to 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Then the pair of value is equal to 1, 5. This is the first solution. In second solution, take another value of x. Let x is equal to 2 and put the value in the equation. 2 into 2 plus y equal to 7 implies that y is equal to 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Then 2 and 3, the second solution. Then take another value of x. Suppose x is equal to minus 2. Put the value in the equation. Imply that 2 into minus 2 plus y equal to 7. Imply that y is equal to 7 plus 4 equal to 11. So minus 2 and 11 is the third solution. Like this, take another value. Let x is equal to 0, imply that put the value of x in the given equation. 2 into 0 plus y equal to 7, imply that y is equal to 7 minus 0 equal to 7. Fourth solution, 0, 7 is the fourth solution. In this way, you can find 4 solutions of the given equation. In the first I, we take the value of x, but you can take the value of y and find the corresponding value of x. Suppose take here y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then put the value in the given equation. Pi x plus 0 equal to 9, then pi x equal to 9 implies that x is equal to 9 by pi. This is the first solution. First write x value, then y value. 9 by pi 0 is the first solution. Take another value of y. Suppose y is equal to 1. Put the value in the given equation. Pi x plus 1 equal to 9 imply that pi x equal to 9 minus 1, 8, implies that x is equal to 8 by pi. Then 8 by pi and 1, the second solution. Like this, take y is equal to 2. Put the value in the given equation. Pi x plus 2 equal to 9 implies that pi x is equal to 9 minus 2, 7, implies that x is equal to 7 by pi. The third solution, 7 by pi and 2. Solution. Like this you can find 4 solutions. Let y is equal to 3. Put the value in the given equation. Imply that pi x plus 3 equal to 9. Imply that pi x equal to 9 minus 3 equal to 6. Imply that x is equal to 6 by pi. So fourth solution, 6 by pi and 3. Fourth solution. In the third question, x is equal to 4y. You can take either value of x or value of y, any one. Suppose take x is equal to 1. Then put the value in the equation. Implies that 1 is equal to 4y. Implies that y is equal to 1 by 4. First solution. Write x value 1 and 1 by 4. First solution. Second, take x is equal to 2. Then put the value in the given equation. When 2 equal to 4y, implies that take 4 to the left side, then 2 by 4 equal to y. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. Then y is equal to 1 by 2. So write the pair of value x 2 and 1 by 2. Second solution. Now take another value of x. Suppose x is equal to 3. Put the value in the given equation. 3 is equal to 4y. Implies that 3 by 4 equal to y. Finish. Then 3 and 3 by 4 is the third solution. Like this you can find fourth solution. Finish. Number 2. Number 3. Check which of the following are solution of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4 and which are not. One equation is given, this one solution. The given equation x minus 2y equal to 4. So which pair of value is the solution of this equation? So put the pair of value in the equation and check. If the both sides equal, then the pair of value is the solution of the equation, otherwise not. In this equation LHS, RHS. Write LHS here. LHS x minus 2y. X minus 2y. First I value put here. First given 0, 2. 0, 2 means first value is called abscissa or value of x and second value is called ordinate or value of y. So put 0 in place of x and put 2 in place of y. And 0 minus 2 into 2. 0 minus 4 which is equal to minus 4. But right side is plus 4. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this pair of value is not the solution of the given equation. Second bit, put this value LHS, second bit 2, 0, write LHS x minus 2y, put the value 2 in place of x, 0 in place of y, 2 minus 2 into 0 and 2 minus 0 equal to 2, but RHS is equal to 4. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. So this pair of value is not the solution of the given equation. Like this, third bit 4, 0 in LHS, write the equation x minus 2y and put the value 4 in place of x and 0 in place of y, then 4 minus 0 which is equal to 4. So RHS value 4, here LHS equal to RHS. So 4, 0 is the solution of given equation. Like this, check fourth bit IV root 2, 4 root 2. LHS x minus 2y, put the value here root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2, root 2 minus 8 root 2 which is equal to minus 7 root 2, which is not equal to RHS. RHS is equal to 4. So LHS is not equal to RHS. IV, then B given 1, 1. Write LHS here. LHS x minus 2y Put the value of x and y here. In place of x put 1, in place of y put 1, 2 into 1, and 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1, which is not equal to RHS. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this pair is not the solution of the given equation. Like this you can solve it. Next question, last question number 5. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Is the solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. In this question solution, the given equation is equal to 2x plus 3y equal to k, and x value, y value is given here. Put the value of x and value of y in place of x and y. 2 into x value 2 plus 3 into y value 1 equal to k. Implies that 2 into 2 4 plus 3 equal to k. Implies that k is equal to 7. Finish. Now this exercise is completed. Thank you for watching it.